Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, número 8, número 9, diez, once, doce, trece, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 'Hello my beautiful people, you have reached the end of another video. I must say, thanks for watching. In this video, I basically showcase what I consider to be my top 20 thumbnails. Feel free to rearrange and tell me what number or what thumbnail you would put at which number, as it was a difficult decision picking through thumbnails. Also, in this video, I was practicing a little Spanish, so please don't be too judgmental if I should mispronounce anything, okay, as I'm doing this for the first time. So I must say again, thank you for watching, thanks for coming, and God bless, one love, all the best, saying respect.